Hi everyone, and welcome to your last unit, chapters 6 and 9 through 12, that are in this last month of Nutrition 430. And so this last month, you're going to be doing some in-depth reading on protein. I've been really impressed with how well all of you are able to discuss the biochemistry of carbohydrate and of lipid, and now we're going to move into protein, as well as vitamins and minerals. Now, of course, in metabolism class, we're really not focused on vitamins and minerals so much. We're more focused on the macronutrients with a slight focus on the vitamins and minerals that act as coenzymes and cofactors in energy metabolism. So you'll see that, your lectures over here are going to be mostly on protein. And then there's a little bit of lecture on vitamins and minerals as cofactors. If you go to the discussion, you'll see that discussion this week is on vitamins and minerals. And so the vitamin and mineral discussion, you're going to be looking at a peer-reviewed article in the last 3 years related to a vitamin or mineral's function in energy metabolism, and post a paragraph describing the article's findings as well as a link to the article. So, in terms of the in-depthness of this, I want you to really be thinking about that number 8 question on the exam. All of you should have your feedback now on the exam. And each of you, did a nice job in that paragraph where I asked you to cite and summarize, a relevant article that had an opposing view of the ketogenic diet. So something similar for this paragraph would be great. And then make sure you reply to a classmate's article and just add value to it. So just add some, maybe a link to another article that has an opposing view, maybe something to further support that person's argument, but just make sure you have, a good understanding of one vitamin or mineral and then a response to another person's vitamin or mineral. So going back into Unit 4, you can see that the homework for this week is going to be looking at branched chain amino acids and deciding whether or not they are worth the money. So you're going to be looking at a peer-reviewed article that supports the use of BAAs and another that deters the use of BAAs for athletes. There's a lot out there, so you'll have a lot of peer-reviewed articles to choose from. Choose one that's for, one that's against, and then, analyze the evidence and go from there. So this should be a fun one. Most of you seem to do really well with sport nutrition stuff, and so I thought, and seem to be interested in it, and so I brought in a little bit more sport nutrition stuff for this one. Happens to be, my area of passion as well. So hopefully you're not getting bored with that. With your vitamin and mineral peer-reviewed articles, you can, bring in something that's more relevant to your personal interests as well. And then, as usual, the exam is not posted yet. I will post it, the week before finals, and to give you guys some time to work on it around your other final exams that, are scheduled for specific days. So stay tuned for that pretty soon. Make sure you read through all my feedback on your exam number 2. And I think I wrote to a couple of you if sometimes it's hard to understand when I'm saying elaborate or expand on that. If anyone wants to submit your final exam a little bit early and have me review it and ask, how things look and if it is expansive enough, I'm very happy to do that to kind of give you some feedback on the front end to help you out. So it was really great reading through all your very thorough and descriptive exams. So thank you for all your work on that. I had a nice Monday morning grading them all, or I guess Monday morning and afternoon. And I really look forward to seeing your work for this unit. We're almost at the home stretch here, one more month to go. Take care, everyone, and have a great day.